Okay, today I'm showing you how to make earrings that are very, very simple. I found these earrings at earring fixtures, I guess you call them, at Walmart here. These have little clips, right? Clip things on the bottom of them. Make them, there you go, you can see it there, easy to open up and clip onto any type of charm that you want to use. Here I found some charms at, I believe it was Joann Fabrics for a couple of dollars. It wasn't very much. Elephants. And then I have some others over here. I'll get my camera in the right position here. Of some hands. And I thought those were pretty. And those were like $2.47. Someplace, I can't remember where I got them at. I'm sorry. It may have been Joann Fabrics too, on clearance. So all you do is you take the little clip on the earring finding there and just clip it, if I can get that close, clip it onto the top of the earring. And there you will have a pair of earrings. Very simple. For this, I think maybe, let's see, the earring findings were like $1.95 and $2.47 I think maybe for this, and then maybe about the same thing, $2.50 for the elephants. Sorry, I've got a bit of a sore throat today. So there you go. You have some really pretty earrings under $5 a pair. Thanks for watching.